The Iceberg Effect Book Review. Thoughts on Dean Holland's free book. Are you looking to make money online as an affiliate marketer? This review of the Iceberg Effect book puts you in the class of affiliate of programs like Wealthy Affiliate, ClickBank, John Crestani's Super Affiliate System, Warrior Plus, FunnelX Roy, Digital Income System, 12-Minute Affiliate, Inbox Blueprint, OPM Wealth, Super Affiliate Network, Legendary Marketer, Entre Institute, 4% Group, Easy One Up, ClickFunnels, JVZoo, Udemy, and Power-Led System. Keep watching as this review of the Iceberg Effect will help you as well as reassure you that you are in the right place. Affiliate marketing is simply advertising someone else's products or services online and receiving commissions on the purchases made through your affiliate links. The sad reality is that 97% of those who get started in affiliate marketing are likely to fail. Why? It's called the iceberg effect, and right now it's killing your chances of affiliate marketing success. It's a problem that has been silently creeping up without detection for several years. And now it's finally reached breaking point. Those lucky enough to have learned of the iceberg effect and how to combat it are set free to create the profitable business they desire. Those that fail to unearth it, well, they might as well just quit right now. Check the link I have included below in the description for you to grab your free copy. Click the link to get your free copy now. The Iceberg Effect book by Dean Holland starts out as the heartfelt autobiography of a construction worker and aspiring affiliate marketer. Dean's new softcover book reveals some of the darkest and most harrowing experiences from earlier in his life as an offline and online entrepreneur. He also discloses how he barely survived 4 years of failure and despair in the affiliate marketing industry. Then, seemingly miraculously and out of the blue, he somehow managed to turn everything around in just a few months. Enough to be able to leave his day job. Dean goes on to explain precisely how this painful journey led him to the riches and success he enjoys today. And subsequently, he lays out a clear and detailed strategy in his book for. Check the link I have included below in the description for you to grab your free copy. Click the link to get your free copy now. Here is some of what's inside. Filled Circle, the multi-Q process. To make a full-time living in affiliate marketing, this process must see completion before you even think of touching that keyboard. Filled Circle, the revenue calculator. This hyper-effective exercise generates detailed, personalized business blueprints and leaves no stone unturned. Filled Circle, the 4 core focus areas. Learn how to manage long-term business goals on a day-to-day basis, in 4 smooth, digestible bites. 71. Filled Circle, the bribe and the bridge. Discover ways to promote just about any offer with ease, even with limited visibility or in the early stages. Filled Circle, the death of traditional affiliate marketing. New, shocking reports have surfaced, and the gurus you trust have an incentive to bury the findings. Filled Circle, no products, no list, no experience? No problem. The Iceberg Effect is not about motivational tricks, mindset hacks, personal breakthroughs or whatever nonsense they're peddling these days. It's about cold, hard facts and the new frontier of affiliate marketing. Check the link I have included below in the description for you to grab your free copy. Click the link to get your free copy now. How to make money with affiliate marketing today. This plan is simply genius and will ensure that you avoid the pitfalls Dean previously discovered. And it will empower you to find your way to where you want to be, as quickly as possible. The clear layout and illustrations in the Iceberg Effect book make it very easy to read. Accompanying video training and exercises further enhance the content. This makes the chapters and lessons really pop out and feel more effective and personally tailored. Another thing to appreciate is that you instantly get the Iceberg Effect audiobook MP3 to download for free. Therefore, you can get stuck into the story and the content immediately before the softcover book arrives. The audiobook is personally and passionately read by Dean Holland himself and makes the content come alive and become even more meaningful. Check the link I have included below in the description for you to grab your free copy. Click the link to get your free copy now. You get the Iceberg Effect audiobook for free. Something else to bear in mind is that Dean is wanting to put it on Amazon for $19.95, for the book only, without all the bonus training and audiobook. However, the Iceberg Effect book is available for free here, along with all the bonuses. Okay, a small contribution towards shipping and handling will be requested. But I have to say that it would be complete madness for Dean not to recover this additional cost, while he's letting you have the book for free. If you're not happy, Dean will refund your S&H contribution, and you keep the book. Even so, if you're not happy with the book for any reason, on request, Dean will promptly refund your contribution to the shipping and handling, and you keep the book and the bonuses. Can't say fairer than that. Russell Brunson endorses the Iceberg Effect book. Russell Brunson, co-founder of ClickFunnels, has endorsed the Iceberg Effect by Dean Holland, and has also written the foreword. Here's an excerpt from Russell Brunson's foreword in the Iceberg Effect. Affiliate marketing as a business model is a powerful and proven way for anyone to get started using the internet to grow an income. But as with everything in business, marketing and sales, processes evolve over time and, as entrepreneurs, we must learn to adapt with them. What Dean lays out in this book is a clear and precise blueprint that every affiliate marketer needs to know to thrive in today's economy in the most sustainable and profitable way. I recommend you read this book thoroughly, right away, more than once even. With Dean Holland, you couldn't be in better hands. Keep scrolling down to watch Russell Brunson read the foreword he wrote on the back cover of the book. You will find the following. What is the Iceberg Effect? It is the untold secret of affiliate marketing success in 2021. It's possible to create the life of your dreams with affiliate marketing. Yet few succeed, while most are left frustrated, overwhelmed, and out of pocket. Why? The Iceberg Effect uncovers the grim reality of affiliate marketing today and reveals what Dean Holland calls the next generation of affiliate marketing. Based on his own huge success as an affiliate marketer, Holland, in the Iceberg Effect, outlines his highly successful and revolutionary approach to building a sustainable and highly profitable internet business as an affiliate marketer in today's economy. Armed with this newfound knowledge, you will become an unstoppable force in creating your dream life as an affiliate online. Can you make money successfully with affiliate marketing? In 2020, big changes to the affiliate marketing game were on the horizon. And in 2021, those changes are live. Welcome to Affiliate Marketing 2.0, where the old bread and butter strategies of last year simply do not work anymore. Be warned. There is no such thing as plug and play in 2021. It's gonna take skills. Yes, skills. Because any guru who pushes one-size-fits-all, push-button solutions is a liar. Looking to adopt? Then read the new book by a longtime veteran, Dean Holland. The Iceberg Effect breaks down the exact steps to building a profitable and future-proof affiliate marketing business in 2021. The good news is that there are affiliates who are legitimately making great incomes online every single month. These people all have one thing in common. They all have discovered and applied the untold secret of affiliate marketing success. Check the link I have included below in the description for you to grab your free copy. Click the link to get your free copy now. If you want to be among the 3% who are successful in making money as an affiliate of programs like Wealthy Affiliate, ClickBank, Entre Institute, Warrior Plus, OPM Wealth, Super Affiliate Network, Legendary Marketer, Funnel X ROI, Digital Income System, 4% Group, ClickFunnels, Udemy, JVZoo, Easy One Up, Power-Led System. You absolutely must understand the Iceberg Effect. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, and share. Additionally, smash the bell icon so as to get notified when new videos are uploaded. Also, click the links below in the description to get the needed software and your free copy of the Iceberg Effect book. See you in the next video.